how was it over here? Were you able to get that milk smell?
Yeah, it was on this side too.
Oh,
and in the back.
Like it's smelling?
It rolled backwards, yeah.
Was it smelling too? Could you smell it?
I can smell it. It was like a sweet smell.
Milk. It was milk.
Well, it was something brown in it too. Like
it was hot chocolate, remember?
Right, okay, yeah.
It was hot chocolate, but it was made with milk.
Right, so
and it was made with maybe soy milk.
Yeah, I didn't smell the milk. I just kind of smelled the chocolate. That's what I smelled. It was like a sweet smell.
Yeah. Oh, it rolled. No wonder why I kept smelling it, because it was under the seat.
Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. Customers only care about the results, and great results with great customer service is the be-all, end-all. When you start your mobile detailing business, your focus is to get customers and to satisfy them. I've never had a customer ask me what product or equipment I'm using. Expensive, popular products or equipment impress other detailers, not customers. I've witnessed many detailers seek validation from other detailers. If you're searching for validation, look no further. Customers will constantly give you validation, and I have to admit I like it. Although I like being validated, I don't get discouraged if I don't get it. No news is often good news. If they are not complaining, chances are that they are satisfied with the results. I have my standard when it comes to detailing. I don't leave the job until I'm satisfied. As long as I'm satisfied with my work, and I did my very best, I'm good. Again, I do love the reaction I get from customers. It just feels right. When I arrive to a detail, I immediately ask the customers to point out problem areas on or in the vehicle. I pay special attention to those areas. This way, I can manage the customer's expectations by telling them what the vehicle may look like upon completion. This way, I know what the customer wants, and I can tell the customer what to expect from me. No unrealistic expectations, no surprises. Both of us get what we want. We're both satisfied. So stay tuned and watch to the very end as the customer reacts to the results. Don't miss out. And also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And join the New Wave Facebook group. The link will be in the description and in the comment section.
It's going all right. I'm almost done with the inside. It take me about 20 minutes to do the headlights. So I'm pretty much done.
Oh, can I drive it, or does it need to drive while I drive it?
You can drive it, yeah. Yeah, I use steam. I didn't soak it down.
Okay, so it won't be wet?
It won't be soaking wet, Yeah, you probably want to look on that side.
I was saying that my daughter just called me to know if I need to go lunch down. I said, well, maybe I'll go through.
Yeah, I got like another 30 minutes. And I'll be done.
I'm sorry, about how much longer?
About another 30 minutes and I'll be done. I just gotta
everything?
Yeah, because I hadn't done the headlights yet. But once I finish this up, I just got a little bit to clean up. Once I do that.
See. How was it over here? Were you able to get that milk smell?
Yeah, it was on this side too.
Oh,
and in the back.
Like it's smelling?
It rolled backwards, yeah.
Was it smelling too? Could you smell it?
I can smell it. It was like a sweet smell.
Milk. It was milk.
Well, it was something brown in it too. Like
it was hot chocolate, remember?
Right, okay, yeah.
It was hot chocolate, but it was made with milk.
Right, so
it was made with maybe soy milk.
Yeah, I didn't smell the milk. I just kind of smelled the chocolate. That's what I smelled. It was like a sweet smell.
Yeah. Oh, it rolled. No wonder why I kept smelling it, because it was under the seat.
Under the seat, yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
it's gone now. Oh, good. Oh my gosh, I don't think it's ever looked this good. Anthony. cannot believe it. Okay, so I'm gonna tell her I could probably meet her in an hour. Unless she wants to come get me and go.
Right.
She's not here. Oh my gosh, it won't be wet.
Nah, it's not.
How good this is.
Yeah, I just got to go back over it with a dry towel and kind of get some of the loose fuzz that.
I should have taken a picture of the seats. Did you take a picture of the seats?
Well.
You should have.
No, I did take a picture.
Let you go and wait to hear from you, and then I'll bring the money out.
Okay.
This looks so good.
So show up and show out. Develop a system that gets you great results every time. My customer is happy, so I know I did my job. Her reaction never gets old. I love customers like this because I know where she stands. I can walk away from this detail feeling accomplished. As a detailer, we want the customer to enjoy their experience with our service. Many customers have never used a mobile detail service, so I want her first experience to be a great one. I want them to witness the convenience from the booking all the way to the payment.
Oh my gosh.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
Right, so it's like, it just, sometimes I look at them and I think I can do them in a certain amount of time, and then sometimes it's not like just judging from that one, you see how yellow it is.
Yeah.
So you got a lot of oxidation on there. So like, I'll probably I'll say another probably another 15, 20 minutes. But I'll just, since you're leaving, I'll just sit up here and polish on it for a little while longer just to see if I can get it as clear as I possibly can.
Okay, I appreciate that. Yeah, that's good. There is a difference. There is a difference. Because you might like to be able to see it better.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it was for me. That's like all of my. Okay, here is
250 total.
250. So that's that. And I'm gonna give you 50 tip.
Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you.
All I hear and see is how much more money detailers make than other detailers. Their wrap vans, or their nice setups, or the high-end equipment and products they use. But I rarely do hear anyone talking about customer service. I don't hear detailers bragging about satisfying customers. As it relates to business, what's more important than the customer? The only time I hear about customers is when I'm asked, how do you get customers? Customers will spread your reputation. This customer in this video will definitely tell someone about her experience with A&A Professional Services. Till next time, shouts out to the new wave. Peace.